This video is part of a presentation as a requirement for a degree in computer applications with advanced certificate in data science. It's an undergraduate program from Jane University of Bangalore, and the research was conducted by Elton Sampson, a student of the university. The objectives of the project are to highlight what natural resources are present in Guyana, to identify the spatial positions of these natural resources, to identify areas where several natural resources occur, and to highlight the procedures for acquiring the rights to exploit such natural resources. Finally, to develop an application that will allow stakeholders and citizens to view the spatial relations or the spatial situations of natural resources in the area, as well as how to acquire the rights to exploit such mineral resources or natural resources. The methodology for this research includes collecting data in the form of maps, shapefiles, and CVS files, processing this data in terms of creating various layers of natural resources in Guyana, a separate layer for each natural resource. Then the individual layers were overlain with a map of Guyana showing places and airstrips. This will give an idea as to how close to roads, how close to villages, and so on the resources are. And then the, the data was visualized using maps, separate maps showing separate natural resources, and there was also two composite maps which showed all the mineral type resources and another one which showed all of the known lumber resources in Guyana. The findings of the research can be summarized as follows. Guyana is very rich in mineral resources, and these are not concentrated in one area but they are spread out throughout the country. Secondly, there are many areas which have mineral type resources as well as timber resources. There are also numerous areas that have several resources present. Gold and diamonds are found in close proximity in many parts of Guyana. There doesn't seem to be any correlation between vegetation and mineral occurrences. Guyana has a wide variety of natural resources, and these are not just mineral and timber, but also oil and natural gas. And finally, it was found that there are many areas that have different types of natural resources, meaning that there would be timber type as well as mineral type. From the research conducted, it can be seen that Guyana has lots of natural resources ranging from gold to diamond to lithium to lumber to oil and natural gas. These resources are spread throughout the country. However, all citizens are not privy to the existence of these resources, nor the fact that they can acquire the rights to access and exploit these resources. Also, these resources should be properly cataloged as this is not the case at the moment, and the information should be made publicly available. Based on the research findings, the writer would like to make the following recommendations. Number one, catalog all natural resources found in Guyana. Two, show areas with several natural resources by administrative regions and mining districts. Three, promote the exploitation of natural resources for citizens to develop themselves and the country. Make the application produce available to all citizens as well as stakeholders and investors.